long-time partner, Usha.
Say hi.
Hi.
Israel
Yes.
University. Good to see you.
My name is Anita Fullerton, and I just want to give a special shout out and thank you to Dr. Dixon from coming all the way
JAHJAH Foundation.
from JAHJAH Foundation plus Jacoby Hospital, where he been working so hard these last days in such a crucial time like now.
Don't forget you guys.
God bless him and bless his family. We love you from university.
You better not forget us, Dr. Dixon. I love you. I miss you. He was one of the best ER doctors. He was good. He knew that ultrasound stuff, and he didn't think anyone was too low to answer a question. And I appreciate everything you do for us. I do believe in JAHJAH Foundation. I enjoyed myself there. Thank you.
I'm Bridget Doyle Handy, manager here at University Hospital, and I just want to thank JAHJAH Foundation for bringing us the cuisine tonight, Jamaican cuisine. Truly appreciate it. Great job, JAHJAH Foundation. Thank you, Dr. Dixon.
What does this mean for the staff?
It means a lot because we're so busy. Sometimes we don't even get time to eat. And so just bringing it in, and that's something less that they have to worry about. Also for me as a manager, that's something less for them have to go to break and, to go get food. They can have something to eat and then just go right back, being that we're so busy.
Let's see what you got.
Look. Yes, sir.
And that's from Taste of the Island Spice in Teaneck, New Jersey.
I appreciate them and thank you so much. We appreciate you. Thank you all.
My name is Georgia. I'm a resident here at Rutgers, Newark, PGY4, and I just want to say thank you to JAHJAH Foundation for donating food to us.
We just want to show our appreciation coming from A Taste of Island Spice, 1287 Teaneck Road. We just want to say thank you to you guys for what you've been doing and all the extra work you've been doing for the community and the whole county. So we just want to say thank you. This is our way of saying thank you. So we're donating some food for you guys. So much respect to you guys, and I want you to stay safe and protect yourself while you're protecting each other. Everybody, so much respect. Take care of yourself. This is Raymond Harley from A Taste of Island Spice, 1287 Teaneck Road. Much love to you all.
This is Dr. Dixon of the JAHJAH Foundation. This evening we spent our time donating some much needed dinner for the staff at University Hospital in Newark. We feel it's our responsibility. Many of our sponsors come from these local hospitals and they support our events, so I think the least we can do is in their time of need, just give the staff a little bit of relief by having them have something Jamaican to eat, like some jerk chicken and rice and peas. So we were able to provide that for the staff there in Newark, and we're happy. We will continue to support our first responders throughout the area. Thank you. One love, JAHJAH Foundation.